Hey guys, so I've got another unboxing today. Today we've got the Kmart Anko Studio Selfie light stand. So this is a little ring light stand, comes with a tripod. It's a whole $19 from Kmart, so not a big investment. So you've got your tripod, your ring light, and the smartphone mount. The ring light can change to 3 different colors. And you can also adjust the brightness up and down with the buttons here. So you've got the power button, brightness down, changing the light, and brightness up by the looks of it. It's got a little level adjuster in it so you can tell if it's level. The tripod extends to 71 centimeters. So yeah, let's get this thing out and see what it's like for $19. We'll just cut the safety seal. There we go. Oh, the tripod's quite small. So we've got the little tripod just there. Extends out. You've got the little latches here to extend the legs out. We'll just leave it at short length for the video. It's got a little lever there to adjust your angle of the whole setup. Then another lever here to adjust the shaft height. Another lever here if you wanted to spin it. And another one just there to get that plate level that way. So I'll leave that up so we can screw our ring light and phone mount on there. Get our phone mount out. So that's your little phone mount just there. Got 2 mounting positions and an extension there. Then we've got the little thing that connects to the phone mount there to angle it all. So we'll just mount that on. We'll mount it in this position like that. This little lever here will allow that ball to rotate around or straight down, or however you want to do it. So that is the ring light just there. Looks like little cooling fins in it just there to keep it cool. We've got the USB just there. And our little control pad just there. So we've got the power, brightness down, changing the light modes, and brightness up. So I've got a little USB power bank here and we can test this out. So that will mount onto our tripod. Once we screw that up. And then that looks like, so you just have to undo that nut there. And then you can see that little square base slides into the square base on the ring light. So we'll slide that in there like that and do that nut up. And there you go, you've got the full tripod set up just there. So I'll just try and angle this up a little bit so you can see the whole setup. Like that. I won't put a phone in it obviously because I'm doing that. We've got a little power bank here. We'll just plug that power bank in, turn it on, and so a little blue light comes up on your remote here once you've got the power connected, and then you can turn it on. Wow, that's bright. Let's just knock that brightness right down. So that's obviously the white color. No, that's the extremely white color, and there's your warm white. Warm white, that looks like a natural white, and then that looks like a cool white. And you can adjust the brightness up and down on all those different modes. Turn it up on the warm white just there, and turn it off again. So there you have it. that's the Anko Studio Selfie light unboxing and assembly. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have got one of these and what you think, and I'll test it out and see what I reckon. Thanks for watching, guys.